I live in Gopal Colony near Sri Mangiram Public School, and my objective, I want to become a doctor with sincerity, honesty, and hard working. My strength is I'm not cheater person, and my weakness, I'm not a fake person, and my weakness also my family, because I want to go anywhere. Then I thinking how to survive my family without me. And my skills, I have also skills. I can speak in English very well and communicate each other. And my second skill, I can stretch clothes, girls and boys clothes, and how to treat younger person and elder. I have three skills. Now, about my family introduction. In my family, 6 member: father, mother, and 3 sisters, and me. My mother name is Mrs. Mukesh, and my mother is a housewife. My father name is Mr. Jabugan, and he is a work in a factory. Now I'm giving the presentation of English. Why English is important in every person life. Near of Shiv Mandir, Shakti Nagar established 10 April 2025. And coach name is Mr. Vikram Goswami. And here provided English course and also basic computer. Important. English, we can speak English. When we speak English very well, then you can take a very well jobs in future. And in our Kansh Academy, speaking English very confident and personality improve. He help us. He help us for improving English, and she teach in Hindi and English. If you learn anything in your native language, then you can speak very well. And there we teach very well in Hindi. Now I'm speaking English very well. Our course is spoken English course. English course is two type: IELTS and spoken course. IELTS, when we learn IELTS, then we go to another country. Here we teach only spoken English course. English we can speak. And grammar course. Without grammar you can't learn English. First of all, you learn basic concept of grammar, part of speech, tense, and modals. Interview preparation. If you want to go anywhere for jobs, then you have a need of English. And if you don't know English, then you can't give your introduction. And computer course, here also provided computer course, basic computer course. Why choose us? Because here is the teaching method very easy, and in Hindi, daily speaking practice, make a group and daily practice in academy. Small batches. In every batches have only 7-8 students, and then focus in every students in academy. But it provides a friendly environment. Then you learn anything in friendly environment. Then you can learn very easily and with your friends. Our our teaching method here: daily conversation in English to practice every day, and teach grammar concept and real life example. Now I'm speak very well in English. I'm a real life example in front of you. I learned English from Akans Academy. Student benefit. What the benefit of your? If you learn English, then you give in your introduction in future in English, and improve your confident personality, improve and personality easy for further education. In modern time, every education in English, every technology item in English. So English is very important for every student and every person. our result. Many students learn from this academy. Now I'm speaking English very easily because I know basic grammar of English. It's positive feedback from my family. When I go there, my father said me, "But you do in Akansh Academy, you waste your time and do anything." So my father said me, my boss know English, so you go there and speak in English very well. Then I ask you what you learned from Akansh Academy. So my father was tell me your daughter know English very well. Facilities, friendly environment, weekly tested, no requirement of bag and books. I go there, no, one, I'm not take one notebook and bag. No need of any books. Weekly tested. What you do in 1 week? Every every week, last Saturday test of your mistake in this weekly grammar mistake. Improve your mistake. Learn from your mistakes. Monthly parents meeting. Every month parents meeting. What you doing your child in academy. Flexible timing. If you can't come in more evening time, then you come in morning time. Both time here available. Affordable fees for every student. I was go in PCC Academy in Model Town. There is fees is too much high. So I think I can't read, I can't learn English. So there this time open this academy. So I joined this academy and now I am speaking very well in English. So you also take English course. Student name who completed this course: Nancy, Divyanshu, Sivank, Aarti, Sobi, Lakshmi. Special force in this. No admission for early birds and no new batch start from now. No new batch start from now and especially offer for girls. If you join any girl this course, then also give your basic computer knowledge. Sabri, Akansh Academy help to improve your communication skills and personality development, and academy build up your confidence and shape your future. And learn from your mistake. If you learn English, then you can shape your future. Contact us. Sakti Nagar and near Shiv Mandir flyover in Kabri Road flyover Panipat. Contact us 9050119151 and on YouTube also Akansh Academy Panipat, and you can also find our academy in Google Map. Thank you for listening to me. Now I'm telling what the importance of English. English is very important for your future because now this time everyone speak in English and everyone communicate in English. And if you want to take any job in future, then you can't speak English, then you inserted in front of every person. Now I give you advice. You also learn English from Akansh Academy. And if you want to join us, then here is my contact number, or also Sakti Nagar address near Shiv Mandir. Thank you for listening to me.